Parang dinner na. Dinner na nga. Chuck-eyed hard steak. Okay? O, medium rare siya. And tingnan mo yung mga Andean dugo. That's the mayogurt. Wow. Tingnan natin. Malambot, masarap, may salt. Pasok na pasok sa local. Except, yeah, so of course, except the corn and the carrots. Ito, pasok. Hanapin na pork. Bye!